cause I ain't gonna back in the day when I used to walk out the pound to come meet with him, nigga, I used to be walking for hours.
Yeah.
Hours 30. I'm talking about real shit. I'm walking all the way from Fifth Ward.
Yeah.
Hey, nigga, come on, you got a time we went up.
Hey, I'm trying to tell you. Real
They
shit.
gotta go hop in the shower by the time we leave.
Hey, I rode the bike back in the day, bro. I had the high point no clip and everything. Had one on top. I'm riding the bike. That bitch heavy as hell. I got some fucking shorts on. Riding that bitch to come meet me. I'm dropping that bitch in front of the police. All type and shit. That bitch steady coming out. I'm out that bitch looking dumb as hell. Can't ride the bike.
Those rings and shit,
Yeah.
I
I was gonna get my wet on though for surely on my brother.